If you're trying to build your channel out to make an income for you, a passive income, you need to look into using affiliate links to make money on YouTube. That's what we talk about today, how to make money on YouTube with affiliate links and sales. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe, start creating. Now everybody knows about the YouTube partnership program. You know, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and then finally you'll get monetized and you'll have adverts against these videos, if you're lucky. But did you know that you can make money on YouTube without YouTube ads? There are the obvious things, for example, selling your own t-shirts, selling your own products, or collecting people's email addresses so you can bombard them with information. But you could also very subtly do it with affiliate links. And there's 3 types of affiliate link that you should consider. Number 1, direct affiliates. These are where you talk to a business and you've struck up some kind of deal and you promote their product directly. This could be hosting companies, this could be a specific brand. For example, if you have a sponsorship arrangement with Canon cameras or Logitech webcams, or in my case, I work with TubeBuddy. So I directly tell you to go and check out TubeBuddy. There's a link in the description down below, how fantastic they happen to be. These arrangements can often be the most profitable for a YouTuber. They're mini sponsorships or arrangements where if I push customers their way, they'll give me a percentage of the work and the lead generation. Some hosting companies such as Bluehost even pay up to about $30, $50 per customer, depending on the product, depending on the service that they take after skipping from you over to their website. And it doesn't take much traffic to generate that income. In my case, I've got around about 3,000 subscribers right now, but on average, if my TubeBuddy link gets 100 odd clicks over the course of a month, some of those will install, some of those will buy. Now imagine that those are Bluehost customers and they go over there and there's 100 people and let's say 10 of them buy. It's $300 to $500 that I've just made, and you can make 2. 2, affiliate sales. Now, no doubt you've seen this countless times on many channels, not just mine. If you look in the description down below, there are links that say this is my setup. Here's a few links, and you click off to Amazon. These are what I call affiliate passive link sales. If you like the webcam that I currently record on, or you want the new Canon 200D that I may be upgrading to, the ring light, the lighting, the backdrops, that kind of thing, there's links in the description down below. But you can do that for anyone really, Amazon or the direct company in themselves. These are slightly less grossing. So compared to say the Bluehost or the TubeBuddy or things like that, these give you a percentage of a large ecosystem. So if you use affiliate links and they click on here, they like the idea of the Logitech webcam and they buy the Logitech webcam, then a tripod, then a ring light, then the background. I've sent them for the webcam and I get a slice of each and every one after that sale as well. These are sales-based percentages compared to if you go to Bluehost and then you sign up for one hosting package. I only get paid for that one hosting package for no matter how long you happen to be there, if that's the agreement I have with them. Amazon is the most likely, but there are other services out there, and no doubt if you Google blah 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 product affiliate scheme, you'll be able to find links and you'll be able to see their terms. There are also communities out there such as Awin which hook you up with affiliate links. If you're trying to generate a click funnel, if you're trying to generate passive income through videos and links, that may be the way that you want to go. And 3, direct product reviews. Either someone contacts you, sends you a product review, or you buy the product or get gifted it for say a birthday or Christmas present, you review it yourself, you make sure that you optimize the video yourself. So let's say I was reviewing a Canon 200D SL2 for the Americans, then I'd put that in the description, that in the title, make sure that the thumbnail's really well, make sure that I optimize the video, and then I put affiliate links that sell. Maybe even contact that product creator in itself. Hello, Mr. Canon, I'm going to be promoting your camera. Maybe we can work some kind of arrangement. Or once again, you go back to the whole product thing like Bluehost. Maybe if you're selling Adobe Premiere products, that kind of thing, you could put an affiliate link, you could put direct reviews, but the reviews you can control. If I wanted to, I could review every product and every piece of equipment around me, make one video individually, put a load of affiliate links down below to either the creator or to Amazon, and I can start link farming, creating passive income, because every time you buy that and then go off to buy other things, it's like a mini advert that just sits on my channel, and all I have to do is optimize that video and push it out to the people that need it, or push it on Facebook, or put it on Twitter. It doesn't have to be on YouTube, but the affiliate links there could help make you some money. And everybody loves a little bit of additional income, right? All you need to do is start pumping up the views. So if you need more help on how to get more views on YouTube, I've done playlists up here. But that is how you can use affiliate links to boost your income and make money online without YouTube ads. For more YouTube tricks and tips and tutorials, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification icon to be alerted every time I go live. Go out there, start creating.